Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to delete multiple blank row in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly select the whole data. So after selecting the whole data, press F5 from the keyboard. So after this, here you can see special options. So click on special and then click on blanks options. So after this, click on OK. So after this, click on any blank cells on the right side of mouse. So after this, click on delete options and then click on shift cells up. So after this, click on OK. So you can see all blank row are deleted without formula. So guys, in this way you can delete multiple row which are blank. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.